Good morning, guys. Gosh, I'm trying to get my bearings right now, but, so I heard through the grapevine, and by the grapevine, I mean YouTube, you get them on underscore. On the grapevine, I mean YouTube, that there is a new Digimon trailer out. Yeah. So we about to go check that out together, okay? Okay. Oh, look at Agumon! So is it gonna be like the originals? Oh, good, the subtitles, okay. Okay. The communicator, Digivice, that's what it's called, Digivice. Look at Agumon! I like the art style. At least for the Digimon so far. They almost look like the original art style. Just more like cleaner line art. Sorry. I mean, not really saying much, but Agumon! Come with me. I'm into her. The people look a little funny. Like the actual human characters, they look a little funny, but they definitely look older. I'm actually surprised at how slow this opening is because the original Digimon was like, you know, upbeat and all over the place. But they look like they could be in their seniors. This is a trailer? On the trail. Typho looks cool. Nah, Greymon! And it's a long-ass trailer. That's the new anime walkway. Look at that. That on my feet. Is that it? Okay. Aww. We got Ty's little whistle thing from the movie when he first saw Greymon. That was cute. That was cute. Oh, there's more. Why is the grass moving? Okay, so that trailer was actually pretty long. But it definitely had all the makings of like a traditional anime from stuff like when I was a kid, like I remember. I mean, the opening kind of reminded me of Dragon Ball Z almost. Like, I would say, like, yeah, I would honestly say it kind of reminded me of Dragon Ball Z lengthwise. It wasn't as action-packed as I thought it was going to be. But, you know, the music was upbeat, and it was kind of just a way to reintroduce you to the characters and a new art style. I think the new art style works best for the actual Digimon themselves. But, does it work great for the character, like the human characters? I don't know. I feel like the human characters are designed that you're going to have to let grow on you, you know what I'm saying? But, other than that, I'm actually pretty hyped and excited for this trailer. Like, for the show. Is it coming out? Like, when is this happening? Because, honestly, I feel like Japan is trying to bring back my childhood. They got Digimon in the works and the new Dragon Ball Z series coming out. And I'm feeling all of it. You know what I'm saying? I'm feeling all of it. I want to see it. So, I feel like with this one, as long as they do it right, you know what I'm saying? They can't really fuck it up. It's a good, it's cool. It's like, you know, it's cool. Digimon was actually one of my favorite shows growing up, right next to Pokemon and Dragon Ball Z and Powerpuff Girls and Courage the Cowardly Dog and all that stuff. So I feel like when you revamp stuff like that, your story has to be stronger than what it was back in the day. Or, you know what I'm saying? Or at least speak to a number of different audiences, because that's what shows did back in the day, and that's what made them so successful. So, you know what? I might just catch some Digimon. It looks good. It really does. Anyways, today, shout out goes to Ty Rizzy. What's up, boy? What's up? We are fellow Torians, and his birthday is today, so please do me a favor and go to my boy Ty Rizzy's channel. You can find him in the description box below. He is turning, I'm not going to put his age out there, but you know what? He's a cool dude, so go check out Ty Rizzy. Thank you for all the love and all the advice, bro. A happy birthday to you. Woo! And if you want to get shouted out on the Geeky TV channel, I'm doing shoutouts from, well, I guess I should say now, to the end of May for my birthday, which was yesterday. I turned 21, so I wanted to give back to my YouTube channel and, you know, shout out some of the people that follow me consistently. So, all you gotta do is go hit on my social medias, and if I'm about to shoot a video and I catch you right before I do it, then you get the shout out of the day. It's that simple. So, choking over here. As always, thank you for watching. Please like, share, and comment. I love to get your feedback. Tell me what you think about the Digimon trailer. And, you know, I'll catch you later, bro.